Looking for an easy way to build your website without hiring a developer? In this Bluehost website builder review, we'll walk you through how it works, its features, pros and cons, pricing, and whether it's the right tool for you. I'll also provide you with a Bluehost discount so you can save some money on your Bluehost domain name and web hosting purchase. You'll get up to 80% off Bluehost hosting plus a free domain name. To take advantage of the Bluehost discount, just click the link in the description below. The discount is automatically applied. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Bluehost at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome Bluehost discount. Let's dive in. The Bluehost Website Builder is an all-in-one website creation tool that sits on top of WordPress. You don't need to know how to code. It's a drag and drop builder designed for beginners, bloggers, and small business owners. In this Bluehost Website Builder review, you'll see why it's becoming a popular option for those who want the power of WordPress without the technical overwhelm. Let's take a closer look at the Bluehost Website Builder features that make it stand out. Visual drag and drop editing. No coding needed. WordPress integration. It uses WordPress under the hood. Modern templates for blogs, online stores, and business sites. AI-powered setup helps design your site in minutes. Mobile responsive, everything looks great on phones and tablets. E-commerce support, add WooCommerce to start selling online. As part of this Bluehost Website Builder review, I wanted to test how easy it really is, and I was surprised at how quickly I got a site up and running. Once you sign up with Bluehost, you'll see that your new WordPress site is installing. You'll see the Login to WordPress button. Click this to be taken to WordPress. You'll now be on the Welcome to WordPress page. You'll see the AI Site Creator. Go ahead and select that to use the Bluehost Website Builder. Next, you'll be asked for a few details about the site you want to create. Enter a site title. Next, you can change the language if you'd like. Next, you want to describe the site you are creating. I'll then click Next. Now you can upload a logo if you have one. If not, no worries. You can always add it later in the editor. Click the Next button. Bluehost will start building your site and ask how familiar you are with WordPress. Choose the option that best fits you. You now see 3 website design options to choose from. Hover over any design and click it to preview. At the top, you can click Customize to adjust colors and fonts. Click Pick Your Own colors to enter your brand colors. Click Select your own fonts to customize heading and body fonts. To revert any changes, click Reset at the top. You can also hard a design you like. To view all available versions, click the drop down at the top and select View All. Don't like any of them? Hit Regenerate to get 3 new designs. Once you find the one you like, click Save and Continue. You'll land on the Welcome to Bluehost page. From here, click View Your Site to preview it. Click Edit Page to enter the drag and drop editor and start customizing your site. You can just click an area and change the text to what you'd like. To add a new section to the page using Wonderblocks, click the Wonderblocks button here at the top. You'll see a bunch of pre-made Wonderblocks you can select from to add to your page to make the website creation process quick and easy. Just click into one to add it to the page. You'll see it's been added to the page, and you can click on what you want to edit. If you want to move something to somewhere else on the page, just click into something. Click the arrow icon down to move it down, or click the arrow up button to move it up. If you want to delete something, click on what you want to delete. Click the 3 dots icon. Click Delete to delete it. If you want to add something to a section, just click the plus icon here at the top. It'll pull up stuff you can drag in from the side. If you want to change an image on the page, just click into it and click Replace. You can then upload an image or click Open Media Library to upload or choose an image already uploaded to WordPress. No review would be complete without going over the pros and cons, so here's what stood out during my Bluehost Website Builder review. Pros: very beginner friendly. Comes with WordPress flexibility, hosting plus domain plus builder all in one. Great customer support. Cons: not ideal for advanced customizations. Once you start with the builder, switching to full WordPress later can be tricky. Some templates are basic, which may feel limiting for users looking for more design variety. Next, let's go over the pricing for the Bluehost website builder. The pricing starts as low as $1.99 a month when using our exclusive Bluehost discount link. That includes web hosting, a free domain for the first year, SSL security, and full access to the builder. For this Bluehost website builder review, I used the basic plan, and for most users just starting out, that's more than enough. Based on my experience using it for this Bluehost website builder review, here's who it's perfect for. Complete beginners, bloggers who want a simple site, small business owners, side hustlers, or portfolio creators. It's not for web developers or people who need deep customization, but for the average user, it gets the job done. So what's the verdict? After this full Bluehost website builder review, I'd say if you want a simple, reliable, and affordable way to build your site, Bluehost website builder is a solid option. But if you're an advanced user or need more flexibility, you might want to stick with standard WordPress for greater control over your site. Check the description below for my exclusive Bluehost discount link. You can save up to 80% off getting a free domain name and start building your site today. If this Bluehost website builder review helped you out, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more website tools, tutorials, and reviews every week.